Gender and development. Gender roles in Asian, African, and Western societies. Roles are the tasks and responsibilities we are supposed to do in a particular place, situation. They are ascribed to us even upon birth. Social gender roles are described as the function or responsibilities for which an individual is expected socially due to his sex. Gender roles in many Asian cultures are often influenced by traditional values. In Japan, there is still much influence in defining gender roles, including the following: 1. Japanese women still control the household, family decision, and finance. 2. Japanese mothers are expected to prepare a bento box tradition or elaborate lunches for their children to take to school. 3. Japanese men have to work for hours on end for their companies and even spend their free time for the company. 4. Japanese men are expected to socialize with their managers after long work days. 5. Men are usually recruited directly from the colleges and universities by large Japanese companies that seek to foster loyalty and train employees for their own purposes. 6. Women are considered temporary workers and companies do not invest in their training because women are expected to devote more time to their families. 7. Japanese parents save money and spend more sending their sons to universities. Daughters are encouraged to take 2 year courses. 8. Marriage is considered a national duty for women. Thus, they are not expected to work full-time and spend years in a company. 9. Japanese women, once married to the eldest sons, are supposed to take care of not only their children but also their husband's parents. African. Gender roles in Africa vary widely across regions and cultures. Africa, home to the 54 sovereign states, has long-standing belief concerning gender roles. Most of its traditional social organizations are male-centered and male-dominated. Gender roles remain unchanged in following: 1. Patriarchy upholds the supremacy of the man over the woman. No matter how young, immature, and uneducated, the man is the key decision maker and the protector of the family. 2. Women are viewed as homemakers, childbearers, and wives. 3. Women are expected to raise children, cook, clean house, fetch wood, and serve others. 4. Women are subjected to repeated childbearing at short intervals, either to satisfy their husband's quest for large family size or as a solution to the high infant morbidity and mortality in the continent. 5. In most societies, men dominate and, in some cases, absolutely control the interaction and action of their family members in virtually all spheres of social relationship. 6. In all sectors of the economic, men occupy the majority of the higher paid jobs. Even when both men and women have same jobs, men are always paid more. Western. The gender roles have changed much in the Western societies, especially in the last century. Economic restructuring in Europe has greatly influenced the traditional gender norms. 1. Both men and women engage in earnings as well as caring activities. 2. More fathers embrace the idea of active parenting. 3. Women do not withdraw from the labor market upon marriage of motherhood but continue their work in companies. 4. Women increasing economic independence has been seen as a main cause of new patterns.